Hi, Jack. How are you doing?
Hi, Mum. We're okay. How are you and Dad?
We're fine. Your dad is washing his car in the garage and listening to music, and I'm studying Japanese.
Why are you studying Japanese?
Because we want to travel to Japan next year, and I want to learn some phrases.
Cool, I didn't know that.
What about you? What are you all doing?
Well, we decided to stay home all day today and relax, so that's what we are doing.
Aren't the children doing their homework?
No, they finished all their homework yesterday. Emily is watching TV in the living room and eating popcorn.
What is she watching?
I'm not sure. I guess she's watching some comedy because she is laughing.
What about Daniel?
He's in the kitchen making lunch.
What is he cooking?
He's making a new pasta recipe he found on the internet. I think he's cooking it with carrots and chicken.
How nice to have a 12-year-old chef at home.
Yes, it's great that he loves cooking.
And what's Anna doing?
Anna is outside in the garden. She's planting some vegetables.
I didn't know she liked that.
She didn't, but she's watching a TV show about organic food and vegetable gardening these days, and she loves it.
That's nice. If you grow vegetables, Daniel can use them for his recipes.
Of course.
And what are you doing?
I'm having some tea and watching some old recordings on my computer.
What recordings?
Videos of Emily and Daniel when they were little.
Oh, how cute.
Yes, it seems it was yesterday.
Okay, Jack, have a fun day. I'm going back to learning Japanese.
You too, Mum. Bye.
Bye.